Well, I thought I'd have a little fun today. I'm going to do an open cup using these cookie cutters. I'm not even sure what they are. Dollar store items. And a funnel. I think I'm going to use my funnel. I also made a cloud mix recipe that I'm going to try because I keep trying it. And I want to see if this one works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But we're going to try it out. The colors will be in the description, mostly blues and silver. So I want to cover part of the canvas. I want to do at least the edges, and I want to do a puddle in the middle for the open cup. I don't want clouds everywhere, so I'm going to use regular. Well, the cloud mixture did not work because we didn't get pearl cells, but I did get cells, just not pearl ones or cloud ones, actually. The funnel pour added some real abstract dimension to this, and so I'm pleased with the fact that I did the funnel pour over the open cup, and it's just got slight streaks in it. You know, when you're just not 100% happy with the result, I like it, I just think it needs something. So I'm going to use Mixed Media Girl Cellerator. It's her cell activator. And I'm going to do some swipe through here to see if I can improve this painting. So I'm just going to, let me see, what am I going to do? I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to pour a little bit on this lid so I can control that. Put a little in here. Probably don't need much. Dip it in that. It's getting more interesting. This is really good cell activator. Just look at this. Okay. Okay, you'll see it when I do a close-up. This is where you play around with the design of it. Getting the paint in here. I'm having fun now. Let's see, I think I want it. As you can see, those swipes have really brought out some cell activity that was missing in this painting that I wanted. But I have one more thing I want to do. Oh yeah. Okay, I do love to play, and I'm going to do this. It's really pretty as it is, in my opinion. But I like adding some strangeness. Okay, I'm going to ruin some of the, not this, but I'm going to ruin some of this. much better. I'm so glad I blew this out. I'm so happy. So very happy. But now, now we have something that I do like. I hope you do. I still kept some of the swipe areas that produce cells, but I love the blow, the hair dryer effect, and just some craziness going on there, which I like to do. I just think it adds interest when you have, it's obviously my little focal point. And so yeah, this is how it came out. I better step away and not even look at it for a while because I do like it right now very much. And I like the effects that happened. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I did painting. Okay, until next time.